Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are well. So, today from Standard 8 English Medium, Unit 7. In this unit, there is a poem. The name of the poem is When I Set Out for Lunacy. I have already told a story of this poem, and today I am going to explain this poem through stanza wise. There are 3 stanzas and written by who? Thomas Hardy. So what happened in the first stanza? Let's see. when I set out for Lunacy, 100 miles away, the Rhine was on the spray, and starlight lit my lonesomeness. When I set out for Lunacy, 100 miles away. So, in this stanza, the poet Thomas Hardy said, what he said? The poet started for Lunacy, which was 100 miles away. How many miles away? 100 miles away. It was very cold. It was very cold then. The leaves were covered with frost. The leaves were covered with frost. It was a lonely journey. It was a lonely journey. In the light of stars. In the light of stars alone. Hardy set out for Lunacy. Set out for Lunacy. It was a place 100 miles away. ओके, तो हार्डी क्या कहते हैं ये फर्स्ट स्टांजा के अंदर? कहते हैं कि कवि लियोनीस यहाँ लियोनीस नाम के स्थान की तरफ चल पड़ा जो 100 मील दूर है. 100 माइल्स मीन्स 100 मील दूर था. वह बड़ा सर्द समय था, कोल्ड. पत्तियां पर बर्फ जमी थी. ओके, लीव्स वर कवर्ड विथ फ्रोस्ट. तो पत्तियां पर क्या जमी थी? बर्फ. यह एकाकी यात्रा थी जिसमें वह केवल तारों के प्रकाश, स्टारलाइट, तारों के प्रकाश में अकेला यात्रा कर रहा था. हार्डी लियोनीस की तरफ चल पड़ा. किसकी तरफ? लियोनीस की तरफ. यह स्थान 100 मील दूर था. कितने मील दूर था? 100 मील. अब ये फर्स्ट स्टांजा के अंदर यहां देखो कि सेट आउट वर्ड लिखा है. ओके, द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेट आउट इज व्हाट? स्टार्टेड. सेट आउट का मीनिंग स्टार्टेड. ओके, and Lunacy, the word, is an Arthurian legend, a country near Cornwall in southwest England, and supposed to have been submerged by the sea. That is the meaning of the word. Okay, then the word is given here, this rhyme, R-I-M-E. The meaning of this word is frost. What? Frost. Then the word here given. Which word after that? Spray. Spray meaning is foliage. What? Foliage means पत्तियां, जो पत्तियां होती है वो. Okay. Then the word here given, lit, L-I-T. Lit means lighted. What? Lighted. And the word lonesomeness, the feeling of being lonely. The feeling of being what? Lonely. That is the meaning of the word. Now comes to the second stanza. What would be chance at Leonacy while I should sojourn there? No prophet dost declare, nor did wisest wizard gaze. What would be chance at Leonacy while I should sojourn there? So, in this stanza, the poet says, when the poet started his journey, started his journey, nobody could predict, nobody could predict the happening during his stay there. Nobody means not wizard, not prophet. Nobody could predict about him, what happening there during his stay there. During the poet's stay at that church, what church? Something happened there. What? Something happened there. It was, however, something which no one had expected. No one had expected. A prophet could not have predicted it, nor a magician could have guessed it. तो सेकेंड स्टांजा में क्या कहते हैं कवि कहते हैं कि जब कवि ने अपनी यात्रा आरंभ की, बराबर, यहां से यात्रा आरंभ की, तो कोई भी उन घटनाओं की भविष्यवाणी नहीं कर सकता था जो वहां पर उसके ठहरने के दौरान हुई। उस चर्च में कवि ने निवास के दौरान कुछ हो गया, पर यह ऐसा कुछ था जिसकी आशा किसी ने नहीं की थी। कोई पैगंबर, प्रॉफेट, पैगंबर इसके बारे में भविष्यवाणी नहीं कर सकता था, न ही कोई जादूगर इसका अंदाजा लगा सकता था। जादूगर, विजार्ड नहीं लगा सकता था। तो ये था इसके अंदर। ओके, सो इन दिस स्टांजा देयर आर सम वर्ड्स। विच वर्ड्स हियर? The first word is bechance. Bechance means what happened. Bechance means happen. And second line here, the word sojourn is given. Sojourn means stay. Sojourn means stay. And the word here prophet. Prophet means what? Seer, पैगंबर. After that word given dust, D-U-R-S-T, means dust is given the word as what? Past tense. Past tense of what? There. Then the word here given wizard. Wizard means magician. Then already given this sojourn and Leonacy, you already know. Sojourn means here, there means stay, but here a temporary stay. Now comes to the third stanza. What is in the third stanza? Let's see. When I returned from Leonacy with magic in my eyes, all marked with mute surmise, my radiance rare and fathomless. When I returned from Leonacy with magic in my eyes. So, what did the poet say? The poet says, when the poet returned from the church, Leonacy is the church, there was a glamour in his eyes. All the people silently marked this rare glow and bottomless depth in his eyes. Bottomless depth in his eyes. This happened as He returned after what? After supervising the restoration of the church. From Leonacy with charming eyes, magic eyes, charming eyes. So लास्ट स्टांजा में क्या होता है कि जब कवि चर्च से लौटे, वापस लौटा, तो उसकी आंखों में एक मोहकता थी। सभी लोगों ने चुपचाप उसकी आंखों में उस अद्भुत चमक और अतल गहराई का अनुभव किया। यह तब हुआ जब वह एक चर्च के पुनरुत्थान यानी कि पुनरुद्वार का निरीक्षण करने के बाद चमकदार आंखों से लियोनेस से लौटा। ओके, सो इन दिस stanza there are words return. Return means came back. Return means came back. You know the meaning of the magic. Magic means glamour here, huh? Glamour or charm. Then the word marked. Marked means noticed. Marked means noticed. Given past form, so write in past form. Observed. Then the word surmise. Surmise means conjecture. Andaza. What? Conjecture. Andaza. Conjecture. Then the word radiance. Radiance means what? Glow. Radiance means glow, chamak. Then the word after rare, R-A-R-E. Rare means uncommon. Rare means uncommon. Okay. Then the word here given fathomless. Fathomless means so deep that the depth can't be measured. Depth can't be measured. That is the meaning of the word. So these are the words, hard words. I hope you understand about the poems explanation by me. Thank you.